is a real moment. Okay. This is a ghost real moment. For everybody out there. This is mainly for the guys. Okay? God did not create women for us to dog them out, play them, screw them, impregnate them, and then leave. Okay? But at the same time, girls play as much games as dudes do. So here's a real moment. If you find a female, so no matter where you are or what you're doing, she attempts to make it to where you are when you call, she's a keeper. If you find a female who is worried about you, still doing her own thing, and I ain't talking about out there sleeping around, but she getting that guap or trying to get that guap, she's a keeper. Because she ain't lazy. She willing to build as much as you are. If you find a female who is as much into God as you are, she's a keeper. Sometimes you have to let go of the immaturity and grow up. It's a lot of us out there that ain't ready to grow up yet, and myself included. I can't say that I've got it all figured out and I got the best plan in the world. But what I can say is I'm working hard enough to try. My question is for all the guys out there, are you?